Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic is cube and its surface area. Cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called as a cube. In a cuboid, the length value and breadth value and height value is equal. That is called cube. For example, what is cube? A dice, ice cubes, sugar cubes. A cube has 6 square faces. A cube being a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. If the side of a cube is A, side of the cube is A units, then the formula is the total surface area. This is TSA of cube. The last class we saw the TSA of cuboid. This one is cube is equal to 6A square units. Lateral surface area, it is denoted as LSA of cube is equal to 4A square units. A means side. Find TSA and LSA of the cube whose side is, here 3 problem is given. The third problem I will do. The first and second is homework. The third question is 7.5 centimeter. Solution. 7.5 centimeter side they given us. That was A is equal to 7.5 centimeter. LSA of a cube formula is 6A square unit is equal to 6 into A value is 7.5. No? So 7.5 into 7.5. When you multiply you will get 337.5 centimeter square. Next you should find LSA of a cube is equal to 4A square unit is equal to 4 into A value is 7.5 into 7.5 because here A square no, so 2 times I am written. When you multiply you will get 225 centimeter square. Fifth question. If the total surface area of a cube is 2400 centimeter square, then find its lateral surface area. In this question, the given is TSA of a cube value is 2400 centimeter square. This is the given. The asking is LSA of a cube. TSA of a cube is 2400 centimeter square. What is the formula for TSA of a cube is 6A square. That is written here is equal to this side it is 2400. Then A square is equal to the 6 comes a denominator. That can be written as 2400 divided by 6. When we cancel in 6 table, it is 6 is 1 times 2400 is 400. Therefore, A square is equal to 400. We want to find A. The square comes this side, it is a root, square root of 400. 400 can be written as 20 into 20. The two number is same, no? We can take one number out. This is condition for square root. So, therefore, A is equal to 20 centimeter. That is side value is 20 centimeter. Our question is they are asking is LSA of a cube is equal to formula is 4A square units is equal to 4 into A value is 20 into 20. When you multiply these three, you will get 1600 centimeter square. Sixth question. A cubical container of side 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface. Find the area to be painted and the total costing of painting it at rate of rupees 24 per meter square. In this question, that is a cubical container side value is 6.5 meter. A is equal to 6.5 meter. The asking is find the area to be painted, that is paint should be entire outer surface. Entire outer surface means TSA. Here cube value is the given. Cube of side value is 6.5 meter. That means you should find TSA of a cube. Formula is 6A square. So you should find TSA of a cube. After finding that one, that answer should be multiplied with 24. So this one is a homework. Seventh question. The three identical cubes of side 4 centimeter and joined end to end. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the new resulting cuboid. Here listen, a cube of side is 4 centimeter. So one cube side is 4 centimeter. 3 cubes, that is 3 identical cube means the same measurement. 3 cubes when we joined, we should find that one TSA of A and LSA. When you see this diagram, you can understand. First you consider a single cube. A single cube, all the sides you are having 4. So 4 centimeter, all side. Each side is 4 centimeter. The 3 identical cubes is joined. So this is second cube, this one is third cube. When we join 3 cube, you will get a picture like this. Here see that one new shape you will get. What is that shape it is? It is a cuboid. Okay, that is length is different. So it is a cuboid. So what is the length? You see this first cube is 4, second cube is 4, third cube also 4. When we add, you will get 12 centimeter. That is, I have written that L value is 12 centimeter. The breadth is not changing. So breadth value is 4. Then height is the same. Height is 4. Therefore, B is equal to 4 centimeter. H is equal to 4 centimeter. What we should find? This picture is a cuboid, no? So we should find TSA of a cuboid and LSA of a cuboid. Here see this given A value is 4 centimeter, that is I am written. Then TSA of a cuboid formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. The length value is 12 centimeter, breadth value is 4 centimeter, H value is 4 centimeter. Then TSA of a cuboid, that is TSA is equal to 2 into L value is 12 into B value is 4 plus B is 4 into H value is 4 plus H is 4 into L value is 12 is equal to 2 into 12 into 4 is 48 plus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 4 into 12 is 48 is equal to 2 into, when we add these 3 you will get 112 is equal to 224 centimeter square. This is the new resulting of TSA of a cuboid. Then we should find that LSA of a cuboid. LSA is equal to, formula is cuboid formula is 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 2 into L value is 12 plus B value is 4, H value is 4 is equal to 2 into 12 plus 4 is 16 into 4 is equal to 128 centimeter square. This is LSA of a cuboid. Now see some example problem. Example 7.6 in page number 256. Find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of the cube whose side is 5 centimeter they given. That is A value is 5 centimeter. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square is equal to 6 into A value is 5 square. 5 square means 25. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 6 is 150 square centimeter. Next, lateral surface area is equal to 4A square is equal to 4 into A value is 5. No, so 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. Answer is 25. So 25 into 4 is 100 square centimeter. Next example is 7.7. A cube has total surface area of 486 centimeter square. Find its lateral surface area. In this question, they given us total surface area of a cube is 486 centimeter square. What is the formula for TSA of a cube is 6A square is equal to 486. Then A square is equal to 486 divided by 6. Then A square, when we cancel, you will get 81. A square is equal to 81. A value is 9. That can be written as, how it comes is A is equal to, the square comes this side, it is square root of 81. It can be written as 81 is a square number. No, we can write 9 into 9. Among this, they taken as 9. So A value is 9 centimeter. Now the finding is LSA of a cube is equal to 4A square is equal to 4 into A value is 9 square. 9 square is 81. So 4 into 81 is 324 centimeter square. Example 7.8. Two identical cubes of side 7 centimeter are joined end to end. In this question, a cube of side is 7 centimeter. That two cubes is joined. Here, two cubes is joined. In exercise question, 3 cubes are joined. So here it is 2 cubes are joined, and find the total and lateral surface area of a new resulting cuboid. Here the picture is shown here. This is first cube 7, second cube 7. So 2 cubes are joined. If 2 cubes are joined means the length will be 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. The breadth value is as it is 7 and height value is 7. So next, that is cube is, question is given as 7 centimeter. So length value how it comes is 7 plus 7. Now I explain, no, that is 2 cubes joined. So 7 plus 7 is 14 centimeter. The breadth value is 7. H value is 7. Next, the finding is total surface area of a cuboid, because when two cubes join, you are getting a cuboid shape. So we should find that cuboid. Total surface area of a cuboid. Formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH is equal to 2 into L value is 14 into B value is 7 plus 7 into 7. The B and H value is same, plus 14 into 7 is equal to 2 into, when you multiply you will get 98, plus here 7 into 7 is 49 plus 14 into 7 is 98 is equal to 2 into, you add these 3 you will get 245. You should multiply this one, you will get 490 centimeters square. Next, the finding is lateral surface area of a cuboid. Formula is 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 2 into L value is 14 plus B value is 7 into 7 is equal to 2 into 14 plus 7 is 21 into 7 is equal to 294 centimeters square. Thank you, students.